Hi students, in this video we will study how to convert the rational numbers into decimal form. Now students, when we are converting the rational numbers into decimal forms, that means we are dividing the numerator by denominator. We are getting numbers in decimal form. Now while dividing or while converting the rational numbers into decimal forms, we are getting the rational numbers into two types. The decimal representation is of two types. One is terminating and the other is non-terminating. One is terminating and other is non-terminating. Now what is the meaning of terminating? Terminating means the something where the end of something, means when we are dividing a rational number. Take for example 36 upon 5. When we are dividing this number, see what answer, how we will convert this into decimal form. 36, 5. So 5 sevens are 35, remaining 1 decimal, 0, 5, 2s are 10. Here the answer is, remainder is 0. Means here the division ends. So wherever the division ends and we are getting remainder as 0, such numbers, such form is called terminating form. So this is terminating rational number. Here, what is the meaning? We will take one more example. For example, 132 divided by 5. Now, when we are dividing this, see where we will find it out whether it is terminating or not. So, 132 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10, 3, 2, 5, 6 are 30, 5, 6 are 30, remaining 2, decimal, 0, 5, 4s are 20. So here the remainder is 0. Here the division ends. So such type of numbers where the division, there is an end, where the remainder is coming 0. We can't further division there is no remainder. Remainder is 0. So the answer is, so the numbers are terminating numbers where the remainder is 0. So such type of terminating rational numbers are terminating. Now in non-terminating means what? Exactly opposite of this. The remainder we are not getting 0. We are going on dividing. But still we are not getting 0. So such type of numbers are non-terminating. Now non-terminating are also of two types. Non-terminating, one is recurring and the other is non-recurring. One is recurring form and the other is non-recurring form. Recurring means the number is repeated. Non-recurring means the number is not repeated. Now we will take one example of recurring. You will come to know what is the meaning of recurring. 10 divided by 3. So when we are dividing, see how we will divide. 3 3s are 9. 1 remaining 1. 0.0. 3 3s are 9. Again 1. 3 3s are 9. Again 1. Means here the remainder we are not getting 0. We are going on dividing. And if you will notice here in this question, again and again we are getting 3. Here remainder, repeatedly we are getting 1. Again this 3. 9. So see here again we are getting 1 as a remainder. So there is no end. So such type of numbers are called non-terminating. But if you will see the quotient here, this 3 is repeated. It goes on, it goes on. There is no end. So such type of numbers in which there is no end, it is going on dividing. They are non-terminating. And if the numbers are repeated, see here 3, 3, 3, 3. It is repeated. So such numbers are called recurring numbers. Such numbers are called recurring numbers. And how we write it? How we write recurring numbers? Three dot dot dot. How we write? 3.3 dot. So this is the way we write for recurring. See, one number is repeated. So we are writing 3.3 dot. Okay. Now if two numbers are repeated, for example, if I say 5.141414 dot dot dot. So here how many numbers are repeated? 14. So how we will write? 5.14 bar. Similarly, if three numbers are repeated, for example, 2.345, 345 dot dot dot. So how many numbers are repeated? Three numbers are repeated. So we will write 2.345 bar. So this is the way we write recurring form. So recurring means non-terminating, and the remainder is repeated at one stage, and here the quotient is also repeated. So when they are repeated, we write for one number we put dot, and if two or three numbers are repeated, we put bar. And recurring, students, one thing you keep in mind, rational numbers are terminating. Rational numbers are terminating, and rational numbers are non-terminating recurring form. Means rational numbers are of two types, terminating and non-terminating recurring. Non-recurring are irrational numbers. Non-recurring are irrational numbers. Non-recurring, I will give you example. Just consider 1.2142263. See, the numbers are not repeating. Numbers are not repeating. That means here dot dot means the division is going on. So these numbers are not repeated. So such numbers are called non-terminating, non-recurring. And in this, which all numbers come? If you have heard that in geometry we are using the word pi. What is the value of pi? 22 upon 7. If we divide this 22 by 7, we will get non-terminating, non-recurring form. So pi, that is 22 upon 7, is non-recurring. Root 2, root 5, root 3, these are all examples of non-recurring form. So three types of numbers when we are converting into decimal form, we are getting three types. One is terminating, one is non-terminating. In non-terminating, two types comes, recurring and non-recurring. Rational numbers belongs to terminating, in which the remainder is 0. We can't further divide. There is an end. Terminate means end. So here the remainder is 0. So it is included in terminating. And here the remainder goes on, and sometimes it is repeated. Whenever it is repeated, the quotient is also repeated. So such type of non-terminating form is called recurring. And rational numbers belongs to recurring form. And non-recurring means when you are dividing, the remainder is not repeated, the quotient is not repeated. So such numbers are non-recurring form. And which numbers belongs to this category? Irrational numbers. Root 2, root 5, root 3, These are all pi, value of pi. So these are all irrational numbers. So now this much is clear, that when we are converting rational numbers or any numbers into decimal form, we are getting two types, terminating, non-terminating. Okay? Now we will move to practice. Now students, we will solve practice set 1.3. First sum is, see what is the question? Write the following rational numbers in decimal form. So first we will solve 9 divided by 37 dash. So here how we will write? How we will write, students? This is the way, 9 and 37. So students, always write the table here of the denominator so that it will be easy for you while dividing. Okay? So student, this is the table of 37. Now we will divide. So 9 is smaller than 37. It can't be divided. So first start 37, zeros are 0, minus, then point, here 0. Now 90, student, number should be either equal or lesser. So here 74, 37 twos are 74. So we will divide, we will get 16. Okay, again 0, 160, lesser than 185. So 148. How much? 4s are. So it will be 12. Again 0. Why we are taking 0? Because the numbers are smaller than 37. So we can't divide. So that's why we are taking here 0. Then 120. Lesser than 148. 111. So 3s are. 111. Now students, if you notice it, here we are getting 9. That means it is again repeated. So if I take 0, again it will show 2s are 74. We are getting 16. Again 160, 4s are 148. 12. 37, 3s are 111. Again 9. So student, such type of numbers where there is no ending, that it is going on dividing, they are non-terminating, and secondly, the number is repeated, the sequence is repeated, sequence of the numbers are repeated. So such type of numbers are called recurring form, non-terminating recurring form. So here we will put dot dot dot. Why dot dot dot? Because it will go on dividing. We are not getting remainder as 0. So such type of numbers, recurring form, how they are written, I have already explained you. See, these 3 numbers are repeated. So how we will write? 9 upon 37 is equal to 0.243243 dot 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 dot. This way, this we can write 0.243 bar. So this is recurring, non-terminating, recurring rational number. Okay. Next, we will take one more example. If we take, see, we will see this negative one, minus 103 upon 5. Second is minus 103 upon 5. Okay. Now, we know the table of 5. So, if you want to write, you can write. We can write this table. Okay. Now, we will divide 103, 5. Okay. 5. Now, see first two numbers. Yes, they are divisible. 5 2s are 10. 0, 3. Now see here, students, 3 is there. 3 is not divisible. So 5 zeros are 0. 3. Take 0. Put point over here. 5 6 are 30. Now see students, the remainder is 0. That means this is which type of number? Terminating form. Which type? Terminate. So minus 103 divided by 5 is minus 20.6. That is terminating form. This is the answer. This is the way we have to divide. Okay? One more example we will solve. 18 upon 42. We have to divide this. Now students, before dividing, you please notice that if the numbers are can be reduced, you reduce it. You reduce it. So 6 3s are 18, 6 7s are 42. So you can reduce it. 3 upon 7. So it will be easier for you to divide. It will be easy for you to divide. Now we will divide 3 and this is 7. First here write the table. Now so this is the table of 7. Now we will divide. 3 is less than 7, can't be divided. So first 7 zeros are 0. Minus 3. Now we will take 1 0 and put decimal over here. Now 30. Now see the table 30. So here 28 will come. So 7 4s are 28. Remaining 2. Take one more 0. 20. 7 2s are 40. Okay. So minus 6. 60. Here 7 8s are. 7 8s are 56. Minus 4. 40. 7 5s are 35. Minus 5. 50. 7 7s are 49. Remaining 1. 10. 7 1s are 7. Remaining 3. Now students see 3. Here 3, here 3. That means, first of all, it is not non-terminating. Secondly, again the 3 came, means the whole sequence, the whole steps will again be repeated. So here, after how many numbers the numbers are repeated? After 1 again it will come 4. See here, if I take 0, again it will come 4. 28 minus 2. See here 20, so it will become 7 2s are 40. So same sequence will be repeated. So how we will write? 3 upon 7 is 0.428571 ... No, we will write one more 4, so that we have to show it that it is recurring. 4 2 ... So from where it is till where which number is repeated? 4. From 4 again it is repeated. So we will write 0.428571 bar. Because after 1 again the 4 is repeated. So bar will be till 1. 1 तक bar होगा. तो जहाँ तक जहाँ से repeat हो रहा है वो डबल नहीं लिखना, वहाँ तक बार डाल देना. So this is the way you will solve practice set. It will be easy for you. Go systematically. यहाँ पर आप टेबल लिखोगे ना तो आप आराम से चूज कर सकते हो. और जो नंबर डिविजिबल नहीं होते स्टार्टिंग में ही उसे 7 zeros are 0 करके फिर बाद में आप डेसिमल डाल के 0 ले सकते हैं. So this is the way you will convert the rational number into decimal form. So the practice set 1.3 completed students. Next video में हम 1.4 करेंगे. Okay? Thank you.